All right, guys, we are doing Sex in the Driveway mixed drink. And I'm making it into a mixed drink, and we're just going to share it, okay? So here we go. Here we go. We're going to start off in how it tells me to do this. 1 ounce peach. Lenny's favorite.
I hate peach.
1 ounce peach. I'm putting the alcohol in the shaker, and then I'll put it in the mixed glass with the soda. And then I'm going to stir it, and then we're both going to try it.
How do you know it's not pop?
It's soda. I'm sorry. I don't know. I've never called it pop. I don't know where you're from, but it's not pop. Okay. 1 ounce blue Caraco. I know that's not how you say it.
Caracio.
No, it's like Curacao.
Curacao. She's a sow.
2 ounces of vodka. I'm already all flustered. 2 ounces of the vodka. And then I'm going to shake that because then it calls for 6 ounces of Sprite. So I'm going to...
What if you want to use 7-Up?
A lemon lime soda. How about that? It calls for 6 ounces lemon lime soda. So I'm going to put this all in here so we have the ice cubes also. But then I need, all right, 6 ounces of Sprite. Guaranteed.
Or lemon lime soda, guys. You can use lemon lime soda if you really choose.
Oh, 2.
And whatever you do, don't tell Jasmine. Because this is her booze.
Out the vodka. The vodka's ours. The rest is hers. That's what happens when you have a 21-year-old daughter who does not drink.
I'm over here now.
And she buys freaking alcohol.
Did you expect all that?
Okay, I'm just going to stir it with a knife, and then we can both just try it. Let's see. Okay, well, you guys can't see it, but oh my God.
Hey, there I am again.
Beautiful.
You guys can never find me.
It's pretty. I'm going to try it first because it looks so beautiful.
Now I'm hiding.
Oh, that is delicious.
I guess I'll try it. You guys will see me try it.
All I taste is the peach. Lenny's favorite. That's all I taste is peach.
Not too bad. I can't take it. Taste the peach, but
really, you can? That's all I taste is the peach.
This time I couldn't. So, yes. Did you find me every time? Because I was over there and up there, down there.
Never moved anything.
And
just making the drink.
I hope you guys have a great day. If your life isn't interesting, make it interesting. Winners never quit and quitters never win.
Now I'm out of it.
And cheers to you. We will see you guys later.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.